Hello children, today's story is all about cricket who loves to fly everywhere. So our story title is all about why the cricket chirps. Have you ever wondered what the sounds comes from? So get ready, listen carefully, and let your imagination begin. So let's start. Long ago, before the season existed, the cricket was the fastest, fanciest flyer in the world. And he flew everywhere, but never north. Ano kaya meron sa north? Malalaman natin. The antworm in it was too cold, but the cricket didn't listen because crickets do whatever they want. And he flew north that night and landed in a deep snow. The moose came walking over to him very slowly. Said, "Oh, hello," said the moose. "Bundle up, nighttime is coming." The cricket did not listen because crickets do whatever they want. Later that, he flew up into a fine tree to settle it for a good sleep. The owl came flying over to the same branch. Said, "We should find some shelter from the cold night," said the owl. The cricket did not listen because crickets do whatever they want. Later that, he decided to rest on a pile of twigs instead. When he woke, he tried to fly home, but his wings were frozen solid, and he fell into the snow. And forced to hop the entire way back. It took him days to reach home. By the time he arrived, his wings had torn enough to rub together, creating a chirping sound no one had ever heard though. They unfroze his wings, were ruined, he would never fly again. And to this day, the crickets stay on the ground as the world's fanciest hopper. At night, he rubs his wings to stay warm and chirps a warning. Faster when it's warm, the temperature so you won't, slower when it's cold. He tells you make the same mistake, but only if you decided to listen. So that's the end of the story, and this is the moral lesson. It is important to listen when others try to help you because being stubborn can cause danger, but it's also okay to make mistakes, as we can still learn from it, do better next time. Thank you for listening.